welcome to Kyndal in the Kitchen. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give it a huge thumbs up. Today we're making turkey cupcakes. My ingredients are edible eyeballs, candy corns, chocolate frosting, and chocolate cupcakes. Let's put it all together. Now let's put the candy corns on. Oh, look at this one. It has no white. Put the eyeballs on. Now let's put the beak. Ta-da! Time to taste test. Happy Thanksgiving!